If you're looking for something fun to do during the March break, why not head down to the Discovery North Bay Museum for games and activities? Kids can participate in a scavenger hunt searching for hidden objects in the museum.
We have a self-guided railway scavenger hunt going on all week, and we're also offering free admission to children 14 and under, and then just regular adult admission for the hunt. And also we have great railway prizes as well.
With the activity sheet completed, they can then return to the front desk for their prize. This fun event runs until March 16th and runs continuously through the week during regular hours. But don't worry, parents, you can have fun too.
Yeah, it's actually a family scavenger hunt. So along with the clues that the children have, there's some fun facts that parents can share with their children. But also the exhibit we have right now, which is tracking connections along the Ontario Northland Railway, has an art exhibit along with it, which will be very interesting to the parents as well as the children.
Discovery North Bay Museum has a lot in store for March break. And with that, the train keeps on rolling. For Cogeco North Bay News, I'm Andrew Hawkridge.